Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to my monthly update where I show you guys my entire stock portfolio. And currently the portfolio is up to $218,718. I believe last month we were at $204,000 if I'm not mistaken. So a substantial increase, and that goes towards, or it's coming from contributions as well as increase in the stocks I'm currently holding. So we're going to go through the entire portfolio, stay to the end to see the total dividends that I've been accruing with this entire portfolio. And I apologize in advance. I'm just coming out of a cold, so excuse my voice. But without further ado, let's jump right into it. So checking account, nothing too crazy to change here from last time. We are at $10,579.71. That is at a 1.75% yield. So making 1.75% on that money. So better off holding your cash in something like a Wealthsimple checking account than your checking or savings account on one of the big banks. Now, if you guys find a better interest rate than 1.75, let me know, and I would also be okay with switching. But without further ado, let's jump into the TFSA or tax-free savings account. We are currently up to $138,086. We are up 51,000 or 58.72% all time. And what I did realize, and I would encourage you guys to check this too, is I went to the CRA website and I was actually $1,000 less than my total contributions into my TFSA. So make sure you check that. I had a couple questions also about over contribution in my TFSA, and the gains that you make within the TFSA increases your contribution rate. So at this time, I am 31 years old, just to let you guys know. So I think the overall contribution is 87,000. So apart from that, that's just been gains that I made in the portfolio. And the different stocks I'm currently holding in my TFSA are QQC.F, which follows the NASDAQ 100 index. We are currently up 84% on that. VDY, which is a high yield dividend Canadian paying stock, which holds a lot of telecommunications, again, a lot of Canadian companies, and we are currently up 38% on that. And then of course, VFV, my bread and butter of all of my portfolios, which follows the S&P 500 index, and we are currently up 43% on that. So I believe, I'm not entirely sure what the contribution room is for this coming year. I believe $7,000 to $8,000. So January, as soon as I can in the new year, I'll be increasing the contribution rate, as you guys should too. If there's any accounts to start with investing, if you guys are just getting started, I would definitely start with the tax-free savings account. On to the next one. Non-registered account, we are currently holding just VFV in this portfolio, and it's up about 5%. And in the portfolio, $10,386. This is a little bit skewed, obviously, the 11,000 all time, because I did pull some money out. As you can see, it got up to about 53,000. So that was actually for a down payment for a house, a little bit of real estate in my portfolio as well. If you guys have any questions about that, let me know in the comments. So that's my non-registered account. My crypto portfolio, recently crypto has been fairly down, but again, as I've said in the past, and now as I will say in the future, it's a great time to pick up more shares. The crypto account is up to $9,823, up $2,851 or 39% all time. I actually bought a little bit more crypto this morning, both dollar cost averaging Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we almost have one Ethereum coin and 0.035 Bitcoin, equivalent to, like I said, about almost $10,000. So crypto's down a little bit, but we're going to continue to dollar cost average. This is the account I'm currently buying with my short videos, and it's currently up to $41,796, up $2,400. But that's when I kind of switched over to Wealthsimple. So if we scroll down here, you can actually see that it's actually up $4,666 or 12.56%. Again, solely in VFV, following the S&P 500 index. I bought $1,000 this morning. Again, go check out my short videos if you want to see that. And last but not least, we have our Save for Business account, which I have $8,000, again, following that 1.75% 8% yield. So that is my entire portfolio. Again, like I said, guys, up to $218,759. The plan moving forward, before I go over to the dividends and show you guys that, is to dollar cost average $1,000 into my corporate investing account. I'm dollar cost averaging $200 or $100 into Bitcoin as well as Ethereum in crypto, obviously. And then I actually plan on potentially buying a new car in the near future. So upgrading the car that I currently have. And if you guys have any questions about that, let me know in the comments as well. So that's kind of exciting for the near future. Again, when you're accumulating all this wealth too, it's okay to treat yourself, and I think you guys should do the same. It's not all about the numbers you have on a screen. You should be enjoying some of the income that you've made as well. So without further ado, let's jump over to the Blossom dividends in the portfolio, and you guys can see how much in dividends I'm making a year with this current portfolio. So we'll check back in 2 seconds. Hey guys, welcome back. This is the Blossom Social app. Again, with all the apps that I'm using, Wealthsimple as well as Blossom Social, and I do use Questrade as well. All links in the description. If you guys wanted to download, you get a little bit of a bonus if you do download any of those apps, and they are all free to download as well. So the dividend forecast on an annual basis, we're making $2,615 in dividends. On a monthly basis, $217. On a daily basis, $7.17. So thank you guys so much for watching another monthly update. I'll try to be as consistent as possible with kind of giving these out every month. Again, my strategy hasn't really changed much since last month, but if it does, you guys will be the first to know. But I'm going to continue dollar cost averaging those different stocks and crypto coins that I mentioned earlier. Also, let me know if the mic is any better. If you guys made it this far into the video, I'm using the iPhone mic. If this isn't good enough, because I know the audio quality hasn't been the greatest with the camera, I will definitely invest in a microphone moving forward. So let me know if you guys made it this far. Thank you guys so much for watching too. Hope you guys have a great day and happy investing.